How to add timetable section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simply go to Wix. This is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click on section to page. After you click section to page, now go right here and scroll all the way down until you find timetable and click on it. Now click on this one. Now as you can see, wait a few seconds and you will be able to edit your timetable from here. Click manage and wait a few seconds and edit the informations easily. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.